Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wealthfront for automated financial goal tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Wealthfront website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up page where you can enter your email address. After entering your email, create a secure password for your account. Ensure your password is strong to protect your financial information. Next, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Wealthfront will send you a verification email. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, you will be redirected to the Wealthfront dashboard. Now you need to fill out your personal information. Enter your first and last name as prompted. Next, provide your phone number for account security. Wealthfront may also ask you to verify your phone number via a code sent via SMS. Enter the code in the designated field to confirm your phone number. After verification, proceed to fill out your financial information. This includes details about your income, expenses, and any existing assets. Wealthfront uses this information to help you set your financial goals. Once you've entered all required information, review everything for accuracy. If everything looks good, continue to the next step. The platform may prompt you to link your bank account for seamless transactions. Follow the instructions to securely link your bank account. This will allow Wealthfront to access your finances to help with budgeting and goal tracking. After linking your bank account, set your financial goals. You can choose from various goal categories such as retirement, home purchase, or saving for a vacation. Specify the amount you'd like to save for each goal and the timeline. Wealthfront will provide you with a suggested savings plan based on your inputs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.